I got a great gig for your band SMB project.
Awesome, can you give me more details?
It is on a Monday night at the hottest new rock club in town.
A Monday night?
Yes, a Monday. This is the hottest venue in town and you need to prove yourself first. I need you to guarantee me at least 200 people and pre-sell at least 100 tickets.
What other bands will I be playing with?
Bands from all different genres. Most of them will have really funny hair, wear Hot Topic clothes and sing like whiny bitches. Whatever fans they do bring, will leave right after they are done playing. We also have 2 touring bands on the gig, who will bring no one to the show.
Sounds like a great opportunity.
You are lucky to get this offer.
How much will we get paid?
Most likely nothing. After I pay the staff and bar there will only be hundreds of dollars left for me.
That is fine. It is the hottest bar in town and we need to play here to put it on our resume.
I can probably get you some free drink tickets for your band. The beer will taste disgusting, and most likely be warmer than piss.
Thank you.
No problem.
Will you help us promote?
Yes. That is why I'm called a promoter. I will hang a poster or 2, and send out 1 bulletin on MySpace.
Great. What time do we need to load in?
You will need to be there by 5.
5? We all work.
Never mind. I will find another band.
No, we need this gig. We will all leave work early and lose money to come to the venue and lose more money.
Perfect. It is all about sacrifice.
Will you be there to make sure everything runs smoothly?
Yes and no. I party late with the money that you should be getting. I will be 30 at the end of the night to collect my money and leave.
I like it.
My booking company is the best in town and you will go far with me. Just continue being my little bitch and the sky will be the limit. Goodbye for now, rock on.